guys, Lindsay here. Again, it's my Friday, I guess, episode. Here's to Have Friday, whatever you want to call it. I'm here. So, how's it going? Today we're talking about spring cleaning your makeup bag and your makeup brushes. So, do you know how long something lasts in your makeup bag, like a bronzer or foundation or even your primer? Do you know how long they last? Because most have, like, at least with us, most items have a 2-year shelf life. But once you open it, that's when you start to wonder how long it's gonna last, right? So this is my primer. And do you see that little tube right there? See that thing with the lid open? Every single one of our products or the product packaging has this symbol on it with a number and either a M or a Y, because that's how long our products last. This one specifically says 24 months. And so I'm gonna just start putting things on while we talk, and then we can figure out when things expire. So let's start with primer, always. Warm it up, get it really going. And say hi if you're here. I love saying hi to my friends. Okay, so 24 months to use this primer. It usually only takes me about 6, but for this size primer, that's pretty good. This is a 40 mLs or 1.35 ounces. Okay, primer's on. We didn't even need a brush for that. Next, we're gonna do our foundation. Hi, Kim. I just saw you this morning and you're here again. We off today? So we're talking about expirations. So on the foundation, I'm the color Chiffon. The back, it has an 18M on it. So 1.5 years you have to use this foundation. You only need like 5 or 6 drops at a time. So that's pretty plausible that you could have it long enough, but you know, it's nice to know how long your products last before they expire. You don't want to use products that have gone bad, right? So we're just gonna buff it in. I don't need heavy coverage, so this is nice for this one. But I do want to make sure it's blending and working its way down. Sorry if I have to keep looking over here and you're over there. But, you know, gotta make sure it's going in the right places. Awesome. Okay, we're gonna have to clean that brush after this. Next is the concealer. You can tell I've had this one for a while. On there, right there, do you see that? It says 24M. So you have 2 years to use this item. Okay, so we're gonna get some, okay, hide those spots that I don't like. Blend it down and then up. Okay. I was sick of everyone telling me I look tired, so let's look more awake and let the sun hit where it wants. Okay. Highlight, done. Concealer, done. Next, we're gonna use the bronzer. On the back of the bronzer, let me find it. There's the jar, and it says 12M. So 12 months you have to use this, which is awesome, right? So wherever you put it first, that's where it's going to be the heaviest. Like my little age spot to blend a little bit. Bring it down. Contour that neck and the jawline, because that's not cute, right? And then the forehead. Some of us don't like our widow's peaks and accentuating our forehead, so let's hide that thing. Okay. another dirty brush. Next, I'm going to get some eyeshadow on. This is the cream eyeshadow, and this is good for 12 months. So, using the color Victorious. It's a great base color. Just kind of a nice, basic, natural looking color. You want to pat with the cream and then blend it out so it goes where you want it. I'll get some more color on there later, but for now, I just wanted to do a basic demo. Last but not least, we're going to talk about brushes because, or wait, I'll even show you the new Duets. This is the new two-sided Duet. This is 18 months from opening. See that? Everything's perfect and handy and right there for you. So, super pretty colors. I'm loving it. I'm like, I can even just add some to the corner there. I really like this Victorious as a base because it really brings out any other colors that I add. So fun. Last but not least, we're going to talk about the brushes, okay? I just got these brushes dirty and I don't like when my brushes are dirty and I don't like to use them. So check it out. We're just going to spray with our brush cleaner. And if you're in my group and you want some of this, let me know because I got a few extras sitting around. Okay. And then we're going to spray the other side that we just used. And a towel would be better. I'm using an old shirt, but I used a towel earlier this week and it got like 100% of the stuff out. It was nice. And then made them all pretty again. See, getting that product off of the brush. And then the cream shadow brush that I just used, because I use both sides of my brushes when I do it. But what's nice is this is not water-based, so I don't have to sit and wait for these brushes to be clean again. They are ready to use right away. And last but not least, we got our blusher, or what I use for my other stuff. So, you know, you're just gonna rub it out and get that bronzer out of your products. So it's super fun and all clean, ready to go for the next use. So if you can just take like those 2 seconds to wash your brushes in between uses, you'll be ready to go. So in the comments, let me know, do you wash your brushes every time you use them? Once a week? Or what's that? After you use them. So before, less frequent, or after. And then, yeah, all of our products have that handy little symbol right there. So you can use that. On the mascara, it's a lot shorter. Your mascara, you don't want it to go open for too long. There's something called lash mites, and that's not pretty. So it's a 4-month on this and the 3D mascara. You don't want to just keep using the same old mascaras over and over again. Although the brushes are nice to use for other things, you can keep the brushes. And then the Evenly Matched Lipstick is 18 months once it's open. So super handy, super easy to use. These have like a really cool smell too. I don't know what it is, but it's awesome. So that's a quick, easy look. Keep your makeup, check on those expiration dates. If you need help restocking or renewing what you have and you want it easy like this and be able to tell how long something is good for, you can let me know in the comments what you need and I will help you. So thanks for coming today. I want to be kind of quick, but give you a little look and some tips at the same time. So thanks for coming.